Welcome to our AutoSchedule tutorial. Get ready for a game changer in managing your cleaning jobs with our new AutoSchedule feature. AutoScheduler automatically reschedules jobs to additional service providers if primary cleaners decline or fail to accept within the specified timeframe, ensuring guest satisfaction without manual intervention. AutoScheduler offers various scheduling modes to suit different needs. Relative to check-in check-out time, accommodates requests such as late checkouts and early check-ins by defining start times before or after the guest's checkout or check-in. Fixed time provides predictability and consistency in service delivery by scheduling jobs to start at a fixed checkout or check-in time. Flexible time offers the flexibility to choose any time range for the same day of checkout or check-in, optimizing resource utilization. Empower partners, employees, or cleaners to schedule jobs, reducing coordination efforts and increasing productivity for both managers and cleaners. Connect your Properly account with booking platforms or ICL for seamless integration, ensuring accurate scheduling. AutoScheduler adjusts seamlessly to last-minute bookings, avoiding errors and ensuring no missed cleaning jobs. Even after auto-scheduling a job, you can make last-minute changes before it's sent. Jobs are initially placed in the Jobs Scheduled to be Sent queue, allowing easy editing. Your AutoSchedule journey is our top priority. Happy scheduling with Properly.